Welcome back. It's Friday, and you know what? There's some positivity in the air for once. Let's bring in Mr. Positive himself. There he is, Mike Eppel. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. I'm a little disappointed, actually, that I wasn't able to run upstairs, take the camera, and go into the backyard and do this segment. It's time to go outside.
It's about time, yeah. Okay, Monday.
Monday.
Done and done, and it's bright. The weather's cooperating. People will be going to the patios. We're looking to step one reopening. Overall, we should be seeing a slow recovery. So what are you checking out today?
Yeah, any type of positivity, right?
Yep.
And look, the markets have been hitting record highs too. From the business standpoint, from an investor standpoint, it's been onward and upward here at the TSX. 15% gain so far for this year. Yesterday we had this big spike in the U.S. inflation rate, and typically investors would freak out about something like that because it would mean interest rates would be going up. Not under these circumstances. Central banks are saying, let inflation go. Open up. You're going to see these supply chain issues in the short term, and pent-up buying activity, which will lead to higher prices for things, and it should smooth out a little bit going forward. So, there are a lot of positive signals. Every economic barometer, not so much here yet, but it's coming, have been, multi-year highs because of the swings from the pandemic lows to the reopenings of economies. So, the TSX has been up 4 of the past 5 days, and all in all, looks like a pretty good day coming up.
Nice. As we look to some more positive notes, Mike, the rehiring of some Air Canada employees, of course, signaling traveling is going to start ramping up again. Yeah,
2,600 are being called back now. Keep in mind, there are still likely, I think, about 20,000 on furlough at Air Canada, but the company says it's putting the wheels in motion, or the flaps in motion.
Yes.
for takeoff speed. Yeah, as international travel at some point is set to resume, much more so than it is today. Air Transat yesterday said July 29th is their target date for a restart. I think the struggle or the frustration, if there is one, is the fact that we don't have specifics coming from whatever level of government, right, Melanie? Because earlier this week, the Fed said, "Oh, we're going to get rid of the quarantine hotels." When? We don't know. We don't have an answer for you yet. Well, then don't make the announcement. At this point, we want specifics, clear cut and concise direction to give, again, positive vibes to both consumers and companies. Air Canada also extending the deadline to submit for COVID-19 refund if you had any tickets that were canceled.
Oh, good. Do you know extended until when?
It's by another 30 days. I don't have the exact date on that. So I don't have the exact date on that yet.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Mike. You set a plan, details.
Awesome.
I'm just kidding.
Well played.
I'm kidding.
Well played.
I want to talk about this from the skies to the seas. Okay, I know a lot of people hesitant about getting back on cruise ships. Yeah. This doesn't help the case. Your next story.
Royal Caribbean has on one of their ships out of Saint Martin. 2 passengers. They were in one specific cabin, both basically have COVID-19. So here we go. It's like they've got vaccine passports on ships. They're doing everything. So how do you contain or keep people calm people down, basically, that there's going to be an outbreak? I think this is going to be sort of the new normal going forward. There's going to be the case by case, and it's how companies deal with it, specifically in the travel industry.
Okay, and likely it's going to be a little bit different given that the vaccines are in play, but we shall see how they treat this one. All right, Mike, as always, a pleasure. Have a great weekend.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. All right, 6:17 is what we're sitting at right now, and we continue to follow our top story, and that is police investigating a murder in the city's East End. Our cameras are live there right now for the investigation. What we know, 1 man has been killed, a woman in hospital. We'll check in with 680 News reporter Carl Hansky next.